Sir, when will you come to Bangladesh? That's a very good question. And believe me, it's one of the countries that I want to go. And inshallah, it happened so much so that twice my visa of Bangladesh was stamped on my passport and I did not go. The first time, it was somewhere close in 1990s, where Sheikh Ahmed Didat had a lecture to Bangladesh and he had asked me to accompany him. I was supposed to go, I put the visa, but last moment his lecture tour got cancelled. And the second time was in 2013 January, when I stamped the visa, I remember, from Saudi Arabia to come to Bangladesh, and the political situation wasn't very good, and that time they said that, you'll be getting too much of crowd, so you better delay your coming to Bangladesh, and that's how I delayed. Now the question is, when am I coming to Bangladesh? And we know that recently the government that was unjust has had to leave, and all the ministers have been removed, and now there's an interim government. Inshallah, when the political situation becomes more stable, very soon, inshallah, I'll be coming, maybe after a few months, maybe after a year. But I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's my desire to visit Bangladesh, because amongst all the countries in the world, the maximum percentage of following that I have in any country, or the maximum number of followers that I have in any country, it is Bangladesh. Only on my Facebook alone, out of 23.9 million followers, more than 6 million are from Bangladesh alone. So that's the reason it's my desire to come to Bangladesh, and inshallah, I'll be visiting Bangladesh very soon, maybe after a few months, maybe after a year, whenever Allah wills, inshallah, I'll be visiting Bangladesh soon.